review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the awesome sauce EA on my account for months. And zounds, it slathered my trades with plus 463.33% gains with the panache of a parodic gourmet chef. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that turns every trade into pure awesome sauce. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this awesome sauce EA slinger of sizzles. The zip folder for the awesome sauce EA disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX5 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferry the EX5 to MT5's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the awesome sauce EA to XAUUSD's M5 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the awesome sauce EA parades its plus 463.33%, absolute gain escapade, ballooning deposits into $56,333.19 balance with massive profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.04% chuckles, monthly 53.97% guffaws. Equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for multi-pair bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the awesome sauce EA's built-in backtest friendly and no martingale logic that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit huge. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile pairs without overtrading. Drawdowns only 56.74% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 463% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this awesome sauce EA is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the awesome sauce EA on MT5 with ticks from September 25 data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit high, gross profits edging losses for that clean edge. Trades total balanced, win rate high overall, average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the awesome sauce EA has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting awesome sauce EA strategies. Link's right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks!